In today's fast-paced world, achieving financial success is a top priority for many of you. One crucial milestone is reaching your first 100,000, a significant step towards financial independence. Now, if you're wondering how to make this happen, you're in luck. In this video, we will give you the practical steps to help you amass your first 100,000 by the end of 2024. By implementing these effective strategies and taking consistent actions, anyone can pave their way to success. So let's get to it. Before embarking on your journey to your first 100K, it's crucial to define your financial goals clearly. Outline specific targets and the time frame in which you want to achieve them. For instance, determine how much money you aim to save or earn each month to reach your $100,000 goal by 2024. Having a well-defined plan will give you direction and purpose, keeping you motivated throughout the process. To effectively manage your finances and save money, creating a budget is essential. List all of your income sources and expenses, including necessities and discretionary spending. Identify areas where you can cut back and allocate more funds towards your savings. A budget will help you track your progress, stay disciplined, and ensure you're on the right path to reaching your financial milestone. While saving money is crucial, investing wisely can significantly accelerate your journey to $100,000. Explore different investment opportunities, including stocks, bonds, real estate, and mutual funds. Optimize your portfolio through diversification to reduce risk and enhance your returns. Make informed decisions and be patient with your investments, allowing compounding to work in your favor. Having multiple income streams is a powerful strategy to accelerate your journey towards reaching your first $100,000 by 2024. Relying solely on one source of income can be risky, as it leaves you vulnerable to financial setbacks. By diversifying your income streams, you not only increase your earnings, but you also create a safety net in case one source falters. Here are some practical and detailed ways to develop multiple income streams. Freelancing offers a flexible and accessible way to earn extra income. If you possess specific skills like writing, graphic design, web development, or social media management, you can offer your services on popular platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Create a compelling profile showcasing your expertise and past projects to attract potential clients. As you build a positive reputation and receive positive reviews, you can gradually increase your rates and secure more high-paying projects. Keep refining your skills and staying updated with industry trends to remain competitive in the freelancing market. Consider exploring part-time job opportunities that align with your skills and interests. Many companies offer remote or evening positions that can fit your schedule without interfering with your full-time job. Look for part-time roles in areas such as customer service, tutoring, event coordination, or administrative tasks. Part-time gigs not only provide an additional income stream, but also offer valuable work experience and networking opportunities. Some part-time positions may even evolve into full-time opportunities if you excel in your role and showcase your dedication. Starting a side business can be an exciting venture that allows you to monetize your passions or hobbies. Identify your strengths and interests and consider how you can turn them into a profitable business. For instance, if you have a talent for crafting handmade jewelry or creating artwork, you can sell your products on platforms like Etsy or start your online store. If you have expertise in a particular field such as fitness or nutrition, you can offer online coaching services or create digital products like ebooks or courses. Starting a side business requires dedication, but it can be a fulfilling and rewarding way to supplement your income. While actively earning through freelancing or part-time gigs is essential, passive income through investment can significantly boost your earnings. Research various investment opportunities such as stocks, bonds, real estate, or mutual funds to determine which aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Investing in stocks allows you to own a share of a company, potentially yielding returns through dividend and capital appreciation. Bonds provide a fixed income stream with lower risk compared to stocks. Real estate can offer rental income and property appreciation, while mutual funds allow diversification across multiple assets. Remember that investing involves risk, and it's essential to educate yourself or seek professional advice to make informed decisions that suit your financial situation. Affiliate marketing is another method to generate passive income. Join affiliate programs and promote products or services offered by other companies through unique referral links. You earn a commission when someone makes a purchase using your link. Choose products or services that align with your niche or expertise, making it easier to attract potential customers. To succeed in affiliate marketing, create valuable content such as reviews, tutorials, or recommendations that generally help your audience. Building trust and authenticity are vital in affiliate marketing to ensure long-term success. If you have extra room, property, or space, consider renting it out for additional income. Websites like Airbnb allow you to rent out space, rooms, or your entire property to travelers and tourists. This option is especially beneficial if you live in a tourist-friendly location or city with high housing demand. By becoming a host, you can earn extra income while meeting new people and making connections worldwide. However, ensure you comply with local regulations and provide a safe and comfortable environment for your guests. If you possess expertise in a specific field or have valuable skills, think about developing and marketing online courses or digital products. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Gumroad allow you to reach a global audience and share your expertise. Develop comprehensive and engaging content that provides real value to your audience. Utilize multimedia elements such as videos, worksheets, and quizzes to enhance the learning experience. As your courses gain popularity and positive reviews, they can become a reliable source of passive income. Debt can hinder your progress towards financial success. Focus on paying off high-interest debt like credit card balances or personal loans. Avoid accumulating unnecessary debt and prioritize using cash or savings for purchases whenever possible. Invest in your knowledge and skills to increase your earning potential. Attend workshops or conferences related to your field and take online courses. Continuously improving yourself will open doors to better job opportunities and higher income. Networking plays a vital role in career advancement and financial growth. By attending industry events, joining professional associations, and connecting with like-minded individuals, you can build a strong network that can lead to new opportunities, collaborations, and valuable mentorships. Reaching your first $100,000 by 2024 is an achievable goal if you approach it strategically. Stay committed, take consistent actions, believe in your ability to achieve your financial dreams, and be open to new opportunities that come your way. Let me know in the comments what actions you were taking to reach your first $100,000. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. And as always, thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.